Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can avoid ChatGPT AI detection. So for that you need to open up ChatGPT, and after that search for anything that you want to search. Like you want to write a essay on climate change, then just type write and wait for ChatGPT to do its work. And as soon as the ChatGPT stops, all you have to do is just copy this article, and instead of submitting it directly or using it directly on different platforms, what you have to do is just go to Quillbot, search for it on Google, and then just open up the very first link that you will see, and after that just paste it over here. Now you can change the fluency of this, or you can change it in other aspects as well. All you have to do after that is just click on paraphrase. After that you will be able to get or change this particular article or words in a completely different way. So this way you will be able to avoid the AI detection. And also, if you do certain changes yourself, you will be able to get away with the AI detection. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.